Klaus, will you please show the agenda for today?
Yes, I will.
So, welcome to the Logitrans webinar for stainless steel products. The agenda today is how to increase productivity in the pharmaceutical and food industry. We will show you our stainless steel product range, our benefits and value in stainless steel, how the Penta Inox was born. We will show you some business cases for pharma and the food industry. We will show you the difference between stainless Inox, Inox Plus, and the explosive environment. We will also talk about the difference between the steel types AC304 and 316 and which environment to use these product types. We will also show some custom built products. Logitrans offers you bespoke projects, and at least we will show you how to reduce and talk about reduce sick days and how to motivate employees in order to increase the productivity. Yes.
Logitrans stainless steel product range we call Inox. We have a wide range of products: standard hand pallet trucks, high lifters, Logichills, staggers, and we offer you 3 stainless steel qualities: a standard quality Inox and this Inox Plus. We will go through what the difference is, and we have the X-Proof ATEX Zone 1 and 2 quality. The stagger you can have in 5 different straddle versions, straddle leg sizes, and a lot of different fork lengths. We offer you up to 2 meter long fork lengths as well, and 6 different kinds of wheels. The Inox product range, when you quote your customer, please go into our website. On each product in stainless steel, like this stagger, standard manual stagger, under each product you will find this key sketch. The key sketch is unique because you can see the blue, like the forks, are 316 quality. We will come into what the 316 quality is, and you can see the green is 304. It's a very unique key sketch because our competitors, our colleagues, does not offer these key sketches. So when you quote your customer, please use the website on Logitrans product range and use the pictures, and please download the key sketch and add this key sketch to the quotes. It is of high value that you send this to your customer when you quote your customer, because it's unique too. They can see by themselves what is chromite, what is stainless 304, what is stainless 316. As well as our high lifter, you can see that the forks again is 316, and what is 304 and what is chromite. It's a unique feature for us. It gives you a lot of benefits when you're competing with other customers.
Yeah, and also I would like to mention here, it's very important also when you talk to the customers, and maybe there are some other suppliers that it's important to, when you talk with them about a stainless steel, is very important to document which kind of stainless steel you use.
Yeah.
So all our manually products like Penta Inox Plus, our high lifter Inox Plus, and our stagger HS Inox, they are also available in explosive. So here you can see which EU directives we have for the declaration of conformity. They all approved for Zone 1 gas and Zone 21 dust. Zone 2 is included in Zone 1, so that's also covered that. The important here also that there are no sparks in stainless steel. This is very important when the products are used in explosive environments. The industries where this can be very important, that could be pharmaceuticals, oil and gas, paints, and coating. All our X products have 2 anti-static wheels, which are standard when you order explosive. Also, we provide, which you see to the right, an extra instruction manual where we also have our CE declaration. So you can also find it there. And this can be downloaded directly from our homepage.
Our hand pallet truck, we know that in the market there is a lot of bullshit about hand pallet truck. The prices from low price market is extremely has an extreme impact on the pricing in the market. But it's very important that you underline to your customer that Logitrans hand pallet trucks is developed in collaboration with the food industry. This product is manufactured together with a creamery in the past, because they have requirements that they need to have easy to clean, closed forks, and also not rust when it's scratched. So this product is very unique, and you can see on the left side you have the black anti-static wheels and you have the white nylon wheels. This product has permanent quick shift. That means that when you pump 2 times, 2 strokes, it will lift the pallet from the ground. It has it has been tested very much. 46,000 pump strokes it has been tested to handle. It has extremely low maintenance costs. So this is your wingman. Whenever you need it, it's working. And it's available in anti-static version, explosion proof, and in tailor-made solution, customized, whatever you want. Please ask. We can almost do everything. Yes. So 304 versus 316 stainless steel. It's very important when you quote, if you got an inquiry from a customer, they want you to quote them, can you deliver a stagger or a hand pallet truck in stainless steel? And you say, yes, we got Logitrans. It's a high-end product from Denmark, low maintenance cost, blah, blah, blah. And we got forks that is in stainless steel 316. So the customer sees you, receive your quote, and they have another quote from one of your competitors, and they say, well, why are you more expensive than the other company? So you need to ask, every time you quote your customer, am I up against another competitor? And what are they offering in stainless steel? Are they offering galvanized, which is a lot of companies think they have stainless steel, but then they offer galvanized. And some customer offer 304 and some 316. So it's very important that you compare bananas with bananas and not bananas with grapes or apples or whatever you like to call it. So please ask your customer, am I up against another dealer, another competitor, and what's the quality that you are quoting? So the Panda Maxi, we will come into that, Pete. Pete is asking the Panda Maxi 801 stainless steel, would it be possible in adding to a standard product? This is not a standard product, and we don't believe that it will be standard in the future, but you never know. It's a good product.
And also I like this question from you, Antti. You right here, there is stainless and stainless on the market. This is a good way to show what it's made of. And that's exactly what we talk about with the key sketches to document which kind of material we use because it's very unique to show the customer these key sketches to document which kind of steel we're using. So many will say that stainless that is chromite or galvanized or something. So it's very important when you offer a customer to send these key sketches with, so we not get this boring price comparing, but it is just apple and bananas we're comparing.
Exactly.
So,
that's why the key sketch is very important to send with a quote every time you quote stainless steel. The fact is that 316 is a superior corrosion resistance. It is acid resistant, do not rust when scratched, chlorine resistance, and easy to fabricate. And
I would like to add something. We have in Logitrans, we have a very extremely high focus on the quality. Of course, we have our own salt mist tester where we regularly check the stainless steel components to make sure that they do not become rusty. So we check our components from our suppliers in order to keep the quality very high.
Pete is asking if the Panda Maxi can be used in wet environment at food customers. It is electric and it has IP44. So you need to be aware of if it has to be a electric version in wet environments.
Normally, we recommend with when we have electric parts to dry environments.
Yeah.
So, in which environment do you need to use the products? We have made an overview, and I'm sorry about the quality, which you see, I think is very difficult for you to read. But this overview is also available on our DealerNet site on our homepage, or you can afterwards contact us directly to get this overview, which is a very good overview, where you can see which environments can you offer the products, but also pay very good attention to how the customers are cleaning their product as well. In the red box, you will see our Panda Inox Plus, which is our most robust product in our stainless steel product range. It can be used very perfectly in very aggressive and wet environment, for example, in food and fish industries, slaughterhouses, and dairies. Also to mention that these kind of industries has a very aggressive of cleaning. When the environment is aggressive and wet and moist most of the time, you will be in the orange box. Here you will still see our Panda Inox Plus, but also our high lifter Inox Plus range. In the yellow box, we are now in the cleaning but moisture environment where the product is occasionally moist. Here is more gentle cleaning, and here can all Logitrans stainless product be used. The industries here can be pharmaceutical and food industries. And the green box is where it's clean and dry environments. And all Logitrans products here, stainless steel can also be used here. The industries here can be pharmaceutical industries or packaging in food industries. And the cleaning here is not so aggressive, so that can be done with a dry or moist cloth.
Excellent. Remember, this PDF file can be downloaded on our website. If you can't find it, please contact your sales rep, and we will find it and send it to you. This is also very valuable for you to know when you proceed with stainless steel. A standard product is our Logitilt stainless steel. This is a very popular product when you want to empty boxes. It has very high focus on efficiency and ergonomic. You have the handle on the left side, you have an ergonomic handle, and raising and lower it just under the handle. It can be tilted up to 180 degrees. Risk of bacterial attacks is minimized. Developed in environment with severe hygiene demands. It has closed forks, 800 millimeters or 1150 millimeters, or we can do a customize if you need the forks to be shorter or longer. Few hidden places for bacteria, and again, because electric Loditrans offers IP44. It gives the customer possibility to lower their sick days, increase their productivity, having motivated employees, and every time it's a Loditrans, low maintenance costs as a standard. This is a very unique and popular product in our range. It can be used, again, in pharmaceutical industries or food industry, print and packaging industries as well. Our Panda Maxi is a bespoke product, customized. It is not a standard, and it is strong and robust electric pallet truck for use in a dry environment. We recommend it where hygiene is important. You have possibility of higher productivity. Yes, John Kelly, it is a sexy product. It's almost a standard, and this one is very good. Small, agile device, very short dimension, fits in the narrow spaces, and you save space. Again, it's used into pharmaceutical and food industry, but be aware of if it's going to be used in a wet environment, we need to know about that when you when you send your requirements to us. This is a special customized unit. We can do the fork length in the size that you would like to have, up to 2 meters. This case is also a customized product. This is one that we are very proud of because we got a dealer who won a contract to an offshore company to deliver 60 hand pallet trucks to one customer who's working global. This one is unique because they have requirements that they needed reinforcement in the forks to handle 2.5 ton. They needed boogie wheels on the fork wheels because it's a rough and uneven surface on the oil rigs offshore. They need boogie wheels to go smooth over uneven surfaces. And they wanted EU certificated stickers on the triangle. The customer, the dealer, wants their logo on the triangle. And we delivered that in 10 weeks. We were very proud of this one as well. So we can do reinforcement, we can do boogie wheels. We won this one against our competitors in the market. The competitor was offering a drop wheel in the fork end, and we mentioned for our dealer, this is not going to work with a drop wheel because they asked us to make a drop wheel, and we said we don't do drop wheel. We have the side skates on each side of the forks because we believe that the drop wheel will damage over time when using it on a regular basis. So we manufacture our forks with side skates on the end of the forks to go smoothly into the pallets. And you can see they also require a foot brake on each pallet truck. And you can see the CE marking was supposed to be placed on the triangle as well. This case You know, we do a lot of customized product. We do the stagger, and we do the stagger to handle total pin and VMAX. We do the stainless steel box rotator. We have a lead time of 10 weeks. We do offer pharma finish for the pharmaceutical industry. We do manage our product manage up to 1 ton if it's a stagger, and lifting height is required to 3.3 meter. This case is also a very unique case. We have a special fully powered stagger for valuable load. It was a customer here in Denmark in the pharmaceutical industry to handle insulin to diabetic company. The fully powered Logitran self-maxi lifting maximum 920 millimeters in a chromite stainless version designed for the transport of fragile and very valuable load. And both driving and lowering speed are therefore reduced. So we can offer, this is not a standard, this is not standard in our program that we can lower and change the speeds, lowering and driving. So you need to put that into your requirements that you need to lower the speed. This will be extra. This one is easy to clean as all of our products. We have focus on health and ergonomic. We have flexible solution, pharma finish, and long operation time. Yes, it was a nice order. Eva is asking IP44. Yes, I believe that your meaning about your question was about the Panda Maxi. Yes, Charlie. Infection control will be a way of life from now on. Infection, yes, but the pharmaceutical, and especially the pharmaceutical, has never have a what do you call that, bad times in the production. I think that in the future they will have more to do than they have forever in the past. So if you can get access to the pharmaceutical companies, you will have a good time.
And Ivar, you asked about the IP44 here. I think so, but I will get back to you just in order to give you a 100% sure answer. So I will get back to you, Ivar.
The pharma finish, Dimitra is asking, what is pharma finish? Pharma finish is when you got a totally clean, totally smooth and surface on the forks that nothing can damage the pharmaceutical products. So they have rounded corners, they have a smooth surface. That's what we call pharma finish. That's requirements from a lot of our pharmaceutical customers, or from our dealers that has pharmaceutical customers, that every time we're sending out quotes to you, they need to have pharma finish. This is an extra cost, of course. This is not a standard, but it is for the pharmaceutical that they need to have these smooth and not sharp edges.
And especially important for the cleaning of the
and very easy to clean.
Yeah.
And this one is customized for a food industry. Our VMAC stagger to handle up to 1 ton, can lift up to 3.3 meter. You can see we have special developed forks to handle the flights on the side of this VMAC trolley. On the side to lift it up, we need to make special customized forks to attach the trolley on the forks. And we have a short video for you so you can see how it looks like in real time. This has, of course, our famous ergonomic handle. It has a battery optimizer which indicate what the
Battery
level of the battery
indicator.
is. You have underneath the handle lowering
Raise
and
and
raising
low.
button. Now we will raise it up
Push
so you
this.
can see it working. And of course, each product, when it's dispatched or sent out from Logitrans, we have tested it. And each product goes out with an EU certificate mounted on the product. Lifting it up. This is a stainless steel stagger with white nylon wheels.
Lower it. Going down.
And you can also see a plastic screen is added onto just on the back side of the chain for the safety of the
Easy to use.
chain too. And then you can see a special made forks, V forks as we call it. Yeah. Ready to be dispatched for you or the customer. Please ask question if you have any questions. Ivar, we will come back to you with the material of the cylinder and body rod. And Thomas, the chain, we need to come back to you with an answer about the chain. We can't answer you that question right here. I'm sorry. Yes, it is possible to get the presentation afterwards. Just contact Logitrans. We'd like to ask you one question here. If you will be so kind and answer the question, in what industries are most of your customers? It could be nice to see what industries you're working mostly in. Yes, a lot of you are in food industries.
Almost 80% of you are in food industry.
Excellent, thank you.
So we have now our multi-drum turner in stainless steel version as a project. It is made for clean and dry environments. The customer was a pharmaceutical company in Switzerland. Customer asked for a drum handler which he bought in the past. Logitrans introduced the customer for the multi-drum turner, and the flexibility of handling the multiple sides of the drums was the main reason for the choosing Logitrans multi-drum turner. The reason why the multi-drum turner is so unique is that it can handle many different kind of drums in a horizontal or vertical position. And that is what made the multi-drum turner very flexible and efficient. We would like to show a video where you can see the function of it. This model here is with electric motor, electric clamping, and electric rotation. It rotates 350 degrees. It can rotate forwards and backwards. I ever asked if it is possible to get the multi-drum turner comes in X version. Exactly this case we made here was should be an X version. We made the multi-drum turner in stainless steel. We can't make it X-proof ourselves, but we send it. We have some external suppliers or partners, and they can cover all the electric components for us, because they are talking about electric components. You have to be very expert in that, and we don't have that expert. So we send it to an external supplier, and they cover all the components and certificate the product and send it to the end customer in Switzerland. So yes, that's possible, and exactly that case was also going to be an X multi-drum turner. Also to mention, when we get these kind of requests for multi-drum turner in stainless, we will always send also here key sketches like you saw on the other side, yeah, that's pretty standard. Also, we will send a drawing to the customer, so they know what they're gonna get, and sometimes they have to approve the drawing also.
Dimitra is asking, the drums should be on a pallet only. What if there is 4 drums on a pallet? Yeah, well, that's a bit of a challenge, because if you have 4 drums on one pallet, you have to move the drum so you can access, or you can go, if you want to, you need to have it on the floor. If not on the floor, you need to move the pallet. You need to move the drums so you can take the drum off the pallets. It can be adjusted automatically to squeeze in a certain way. We got the new indicator, the screen, digitalized screen on each of our rotator and multi-drum turner, so you can set it up to rotate on a certain angle. You can squeeze it to a certain level, so it's very easy to use and operating friendly. And it can handle drums from 40 liters to 250 liters as well, in plastic, iron, or paper drums. So it's very valuable. And this case took 12 months before they ordered this one. And when you go for this one, we have 10 weeks delivery time. But if you want it ATEX proof, we send it to an ATEX expert. They have the same lead time there, 10 to 12 weeks as well. But that's nothing that we don't offer you an ATEX, as Sebastian mentioned. Customer satisfaction. A customer in the food industry has stainless steel pallet trucks and rotators, some of which are made of stainless steel. This customer is very satisfied with the durability of the devices, and that Logitrans was also able to supply devices that were customized to their needs. A customer in the pharmaceutical industry has various of stainless steel units from Logitrans. The customer is very satisfied with Logitrans because they are easy to clean and the risk of bacterial attacks is minimized. This saves time during maintenance, and the devices can be put back into operation quickly. This is increasing productivity and efficiency.
One pharmaceutical company in Germany has bought Logitrans stainless steel for more than 20 years. They love Logitrans Panda Inox and high lifter stainless steel. Recently just purchased 7 units EHL RF Plus, our Inox Plus high lifter electric, and 4 units Panda Inox Plus. The customers is very satisfied because of the high-end quality, our lead time, also our welding is very high quality, very smooth, and they're satisfied with Logitrans customer service and awareness, satisfied with Logitrans long-lasting quality products, and the low maintenance cost. We can deliver spare parts for more than in minimum 10 years. So the product have a very long lifetime. So how to succeed with selling Logitrans? One of the key benefits is that we use the acid-resistant stainless steel AC 316. Here we are pretty unique, and all our stainless steel product has this on the fork chassis. So we only use that. Also, to succeed with Logitrans, that could be our multi-drum turner, stainless maybe, wheel lifter, electric high lifters, our rotator, also in stainless steel, our Logitil in stainless steel, and also custom build, where we are very flexible and have a wide range of options.
Please make it simple for you. You know the KISS project, keep it simple, stupid. So keep it simple, stupid. Go for the lowest hanging fruits. It's focusing on stainless steel and a Logitrans specials and custom build version. If focusing on these three areas, you will succeed. You will be the champ. So don't make any difficulties for yourself. Go for the lowest hanging fruits, because the competition in the market focusing on these three areas is limited. And with our unique flexibility, you will win orders. Please don't say no before you ask Logitrans. We can do more than people imagine. We got 3 guys in our design team who develops 1,000 customized units each year all over the world.
So why choosing Logitrans? First of all, to increase the productivity and efficiency. We have a very high focus on the ergonomic, which means the customer can reduce employee sick days, less back, neck, and shoulder injuries, and this will also get for the customer motivated and happy employees. We have very good lead times, which you can see now actually directly on our dealer net. When we every day update them, we have extremely low maintenance costs, strong construction, high flexibility, wide range of flexible production products, and we also have a lot of demo units available, which you can rent.
Excellent. We got a new question for you. What industry would you like to grow your business, customer base going forward? Where do you want to grow? Where do you want to be better? Where do you want to have better turnover, more orders?
I can see a lot of you are already answering now. Very good. A lot of you answering pharmaceutical. I think you're right. I think there are going to be a very high demand right now. You can read the newspaper or the news about the virus going on and all these things. So that's going to be a high demand already now for mask and other cleaning stuff. Food industry as well, I think. So very, very nice to see your answers here.
One of the good keywords opening doors into new customer is to ask them if they have a challenge with sick days. I have of my own a very good experience of a food company who has a lot of sick days because they doesn't have the right equipment. And coming into this company and seeing the pallets on the ground, not having a high lifter, not having a stacker to lift the pallets up, so the employees need to bend over, and they had a lot of trouble with the sick days because of bad back and shoulder injuries. So asking the new customer, possible customer, do you have any challenge with sick days? Do you want to increase your productivity? Because productivity is money for them. So if you can set up a meeting, we'd like to have focus on sick days and productivity, and even do we want to have motivated employees? Motivated employees will stay longer in the company. So these are 3 topics that we recommend you to bring into a meeting and ask your customer about this. Another question is that we are going to end this webinar, and we are very fond of making this webinar. This is the second one, and we'd like to know if you want to learn more and what our next webinar should has as an agenda. It could be if you want learn more about custom build solution, or you want to learn about our LogiFlex solution, or even if you want a tour on our website and how to navigate on our DealerNet. Please feel free to answer the question so we know what next webinar should have as agenda. It's very important for us that we have this dialogue, communication with you as our trusted dealer. It's very good. Nice to see that it is almost 33% of all of the answers. Very good. So we need to make 3. And please feel free to go to our YouTube channel. We have a YouTube channel which is available for you on the YouTube. We have a lot of videos as well. So please feel free to use our videos there when you quote your customer. If you don't know how it looked like, you can see. Okay, we can't show you that. All right. Any questions, guys? Please. Eva is asking rotator and tilt for demo unit as well. Yes. But as well, no stainless rotator or tilt rotator, because the demos is only in standard quality. That you need to ask your Sebastian or me when we can supply your demo in stainless. We have stainless high lifter and stainless hand pallet truck in our demo fleet. We need to hear more about the project, the customer, if we're going to make a demo of the stainless steel. Yes, Matt, we like the videos as well. Thank you. We hope that this webinar was valuable for you, and you can see all the benefits that you have by being a LogiTrans dealer. We are happy that you attend this and participated in this one. We hope that you have more confidence in LogiTrans stainless steel and can see the value of going forward to the food and pharmaceutical industry. Go for the lowest hanging fruits. Use the KISS model. Keep it simple, stupid. It's where you get your new customer, focusing on these 3 areas: custom build, stainless steel, and special. And Sebastian, thank you for being here.
You're welcome, and thank you for all guys who was joining us today. This means very much for us, because this webinar is a new thing, but a good thing, and I think we're gonna do a lot of more. So time's running.
Feel free to send us an email or call us on the cell phone. We would like to share you all of our knowledge and our expertise from our lovely colleagues here in LogiTrans is waiting for you to succeed, and we will help you succeed hand in hand with you. Take care. Have a nice weekend as well, and be safe. Keep distance as long as this virus is working on, and believe in yourself and go forward with LogiTrans. Don't hesitate to contact us. Please don't say no if you got a requirement from customers before you ask LogiTrans.